How to change Crunchyroll username, and is it possible? Let's see. So now I have my Crunchyroll account. Then in order for you to see if you can change your username, all you have to do is to click your profile at the top right corner. Okay, scroll down till you see my account. Tap this one. And then here you can see options like membership info, preferences, email notifications, change email, change password, activate device, device management, connected apps. So first, let's go to change password. And as you can see here, you can only change your current password to new password, retype new password, but you can't see any option that says change your username. Also, when you go to membership info, even go to email notifications, you can see any options that says change your username. When you go to change email, it can only tell you or ask you to verify or change your email address. When you go to activate device, it will ask you to activate your device. You just have to enter 6-character code. So let's see if we can find it under device management. So when you click device management, this is what it looks like. Okay, when you go to connected apps, it will just connect you to any applications that you want, for example, Discord. So let's go to membership info. Let's try if we can change everything here when we tap this order details. Okay, and then under order details or membership info, you can see here profile settings. When you click this profile skin, okay, let me click this to new tab. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Maybe in order for you to change anything on your Crunchyroll, you have to upgrade to premium. When you go to email and password, it will just take you directly to this site again, which I showed earlier. Okay, so let's go back then. So when you tap this privacy settings, it will take you to the site. Okay, so there's no change username here. Even when you go to this preferences, it will just take you back to your preferences here. Okay, so I can't see any change username. When you go to my devices, still you can't see any change username here. So it only means that at this very moment, you can change your username in Crunchyroll. So make sure that if you create your username, make sure that you have created the best one. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.